safe haven of conversation where we make space and ease our frustrations. Continuation for days and days, and I can just say
good morning, you guys. How y'all doing today? Today is Wednesday. I'm about to get ready to get my workout on. So I just want to get in here, open up the vlog for today. Yeah, first, I ain't finna do I got to take my pre-workout, and then I gotta wait 30 minutes, then I work out. But yeah, let me go ahead and take this pre-workout. Y'all don't pay me no mind about how I'm taking my pre-workout. This is the way I do it sometimes. All right. Got it to me. Now wait 30 minutes. While I'm waiting, I'm going to put some clothes, put some towels in the dryer. Wish I could find my remote. Yeah, get some clothes put in the dryer. Get my workout done. And that's pretty much all I got going on for right now. So I'll see you guys when I get ready to do my workout, because I know I haven't did a workout here on video in a while. So I'm going to get that done. Y'all see the little guns trying to come. Oh, look at them guns. I got to get rid of this fat though. They ain't going nowhere. But yeah.
how was I to know you changed my mind? How was I to know? Oh, how was I to know you feel so right? How was I to know? I didn't see it coming in a million years. Now you got me wishing we could be clearer. Yeah. How was I to know that I need titles to define us? Oh, I put it all on the line. I wasn't trying to waste my time. So I don't wanna cut the ties. We started building, situations getting crazy. You want me to be exclusive and prove it, baby. Cause now you got me in a situationship. Thing really need a new thing. Hey, no situationship. Great if I'm so amazing. Explain how we still in the gray. Cause you said I'm incredible in every way, but our relationship status hasn't changed, baby. Tell me you don't wanna lose me and get me out of this situation. Hey, get me out of this situation. How was I to know we'd fall apart? How was I to know? And how was I to know you'd bring my heart? How was I to know?
And now that I got my exercise out the way, I'm going to go ahead and get my towels taken out the dryer. And I thought I was going to be putting the clothes from out the wash machine in the dryer, but then I realized I didn't even start the wash machine. So I had to end up starting that. And once I got that started, I went on ahead and moved to the fridge to get it all cleaned out because it needed it. So before we get further into the video, I just want to let you guys know that you will see the video get bright then dark, because every time I opened the fridge, the video got dark. Once I closed it, it got bright. So not sure what the situation with my camera was with that, but I just want to tell you guys that in advance.
It may seem like you're under some kind of spell. You're walking on sunshine, feeling extra well. You're all smiles, happy as you can be. Feels like a dream, but can't you see that it's just me? It's just me. Yeah, it's just me. Yeah, I have that effect on people. It really is just me. You probably feel like you've been blessed by the gods above. You're riding high, and your heart is full of love. You're bubbling over with joy, just like a child with a brand new toy. It's so unreal that you can't see that it's just me. It's just me. Yeah, it's just me. You've been civilized, baby. Welcome to civilization. Hey, said it ain't the weekend, and it ain't the wine. Said it's not the food you eat, making you feel.
So the crumbs that were in the fridge, I tried to get my handheld vacuum to vacuum it out, but I realized that it wasn't charged, so I had to end up going to take it to charge. And I always do that. Is out when I need something, is never charged, so I had to end up going to get it charged and just wiping it out with my microfiber cloth.
Now you go about your day, caught up in a trance. Your head over heels, daydreaming about our romance. You're over the moon, running around, singing my tune. You think it's a fantasy, oh darling, it's just me. It's just me. Really, baby, it's just me. It's just me.
When I think about His grace, His freedom, something like a woman prays. I'm grateful for the loving that you gave. It's so amazing. No matter who we are, we know you'll never change. I'm in awe of how you keep doing something amazing. He's always a way, doing something amazing. Because of His grace, doing something amazing. Oh, hey, hey, something amazing.
So anything I put back in the fridge, I had make sure that it wasn't expired. But most of the time, a lot of my stuff doesn't be expired because I only buy a little bit at a time. So I was good on that part. So it's just the fridge all clean. I didn't have to do this side because I hadn't already did it. But yeah, the fridge is clean. Now I can go to the grocery store tomorrow and I don't have to worry about putting my groceries in a nasty fridge. And I'll probably do the freezer another day. Not today. Good morning, you guys. It's probably about a week or so later. I'm about to get ready to start doing a little bit of organizing here in my bedroom. I'm gonna start with my clothes. I just got too many clothes and we just don't have space, and there's a lot of clothes that I don't wear. So today it's gonna be started on some organization. And before I get started, I'm going to get my bed made up. So I hope you guys are having a blessed day today, and we're going to go ahead and get started.
What I always wanted, I could never have it. Gone before I grabbed it, over before it started. No, I could never have it. What I always dreamed of, I could always see us. Shadows in the distance, watching from the fences. But I could never have it. Now the space between us laughs at all our hopes and dreams was. I am full for my beliefs. My time stands still while you're dancing in the darkness. You think we should go our separate ways, but I think you're worth the wait, worth the wait, worth the wait, worth the wait, worth the wait. I think you're worth the wait. What I never wanted.
Alright, so now that I got my bed made up, I'm going to start first here in my closet. Let me turn this brightness down some. So I'm going to start here in the closet. I don't know if I did my closet or showed it here on video before, but this is what it looks like. So this is my junky closet, and I want to try to get it as organized as I can. I've been trying to look at some videos on TikTok to see, give me some ideas of what I can do. The stuff up there to the top, I'm going to move it somewhere else. Some of these baskets I can get rid of. But yeah, we're gonna go through. I'm sure enough gonna go through my clothes, because some of these clothes I can't get rid of. And I'm just going to kind of organize my husband's side. I'm gonna let him go through his own clothes. But yeah, I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get the camera here, because my closet is not that big. So I'm gonna try to do the best I can. And yeah, we're gonna get this looking a little bit more better than what it is.
Yeah, I'm feeling tipsy. I'm on the move. We're getting frisky. We're in the groove. People are smiling, and the music is on fire. The lights are turning me on, and they're lifting me higher. I wanna tell you that I feel alright. Yeah, I feel fine. Yeah, something inside me is saying that I'm on the move, baby. Hey, I'm moving on up.
Alright, so I got everything. Well, not everything, but this is what I got out the closet so far. That is a bag of mail that needs to get burnt. Not sure when it's gonna get burnt, but it got to get out of here. So I went out to the shed, got some of these storage bins, and I'm going to be putting some of my Cricut stuff in there, because I don't really use my Cricut like I used to. So I'm just going to put that stuff in there, along with all this these wrapping bags and the little tissue paper and stuff like that, because it's just taking up space in my closet. And I could just always go out there to the shed to get it. I don't have no problem doing that. And some gift boxes. And not sure what I'm gonna do. This is what my Cricut stuff in. This is some of my husband's stuff. It's taking up space in the closet as well. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that, but I'm gonna go ahead and try to do what I can.
To a higher destination, I'm moving on up. I'm feeling cheeky. I'm on high. I'm feeling forward. Yeah. I'm in the sky. All I see is happy people coming up to the dance.
Alright, so a lot of the things I did off camera. I went through my clothes in my closet. I'm gonna show you guys what all I'm gonna be getting rid of, and I'm gonna show you guys how my closet looks now. I got a lot of stuff out of there. But yeah, let me show you guys what I'm gonna be getting rid of. So these are all the clothes that I'm getting rid of. I'm getting rid of a lot of these clothes I don't pick up. I went through my drawers as well. So those are all the clothes. And then down here are my shoes. I'm gonna get me some the little bins. I'll show you guys that in the closet. I'm gonna put these in some bins. And this is pretty much what my room looks like. All these going in the shed. Yeah, but let me show you guys my closet. Whoop. Alright, so this is how the closet looks now. I got all the stuff from up there except for the little bins there. Those are my shoes. And I added some of my husband's shirts here on this side, but pretty much the rest of it is the same. I just wanted to get all that stuff from up here. Now that'll leave me some room to put some other stuff, which hopefully I don't do that. But yeah, this is the closet. Oh yeah, I did move some little basket of clothes that I had there as well. But hopefully we don't get it too full. Hopefully I can get up there and change. Y'all can see it. Change my little light. My little light right there. Hopefully I can get that changed out one day. But yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing today. Hopefully I can get that stuff gone by Thursday and get the rest of my room clean. And that's pretty much it that I'm going to be doing today.
I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo.